Welcome back. Continuing the news. A war of words erupted inside the St. Ann Municipal Corporation, exposing what some are calling a full-blown burial crisis in the parish. Sandy Williams has the update.
Closed cemeteries, confusion over burial plots, and frustrated councillors caught in the middle.
You have been pussyfooting on the matter because yes, it's a word. It is actually a word. It is actually a word. This request came in from January CU, which is March now, and we have heard absolutely nothing.
Inside a tense municipal corporation meeting, councillor for the Claremont division, Cadian Harty, unleashing frustration over the controversial closure of the Claremont cemetery.
I refuse to accept that we have 17 spots available in the cemetery and we are burying the cemetery. I refuse to accept it.
17 spaces left, but no burials allowed. The reason? A claim that 13 of those plots may already belong to one family.
We have checked the records. We are not able to verify what they have said. But at the same time, it would be irresponsible of us to go ahead and sell the 17 spots that remain. That's all we are saying.
It means that anybody can write to say, I have reserved spots in the cemetery without the necessary documentation. So you can expect to get more then.
And there could very well be more.
And what will you do then?
We will check. Look here, Chairman, there's no need for this back and forth thing. I think there is.
But Claremont is just one piece of a growing crisis. Across St. Ann's Bay, Brownstown, Ocherius and Lime Hall, cemeteries are already shut, another on the brink, leaving one community to shoulder the burden of the dead. Councillor for the Lime Hall division, Geneva Gordon Bailey, knows it all too well.
Anyone knows what is happening know that the Steertown Cemetery literally has become the parish cemetery in St. Ann. On any given Saturday, 5-6 funerals are there. The citizens of Steertown literally cannot access their play field. All of that is blocked from people coming from all. If there's 5 funerals up there, rarely does one person come from Steertown.
While the community struggles, acres of land sit elsewhere. More than 50 acres in Walkerswood and Beechertown with active cemeteries, yet access remains uneven.
It is unfair for the citizen or residents of a community to have their dead and can't bury them anymore there. And I'm speaking specifically for Steertown because of the parish cemetery.
Mayor of St. Ann's Bay, Michael Belnavis, offering a blunt reminder.
So without the receipts, they can take a claim. Okay? Straightforward. So if you need them, you will have gotten. If you reserve a spot, you will have gotten a receipt. And you're supposed to keep that along with your passport and so on. So it is the ownership is on the individual to prove that they have the spot.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.